In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can enter a form 1116 in TurboTax. So without wasting any of your time guys, the way to do this is to first click on deductions and credits right here. And now guys, go ahead and scroll down and click on this button right here guys. It says estimates and other taxes paid. And right here, you guys will see the foreign tax credits and go ahead and click on start. This is going to be essential if you guys have paid for taxes in a foreign country. And now go ahead and click on the continue button. If you have any income left to enter, go ahead and click on no, I have more income to add. If you guys are finished, click on yes, click on continue. If you guys see this page right here, looks like the foreign tax credit doesn't apply this year. You guys will not be able to do this. If you guys see a different screen for the 1116 form, go ahead and fill it. Go ahead and fill it in, and you guys will be able to do this. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.